Hello students, I'll be showing you a lead part of a song called Be Khayali and it goes like this. So this is how you play Be Khayali song and to play it in a proper way, a few things, a few general instructions you need to know. The first one is the song Be Khayali. It is in the key of A minor, right? And the second instruction is that you know you have to maintain the tempo. So for that, I would recommend all of you to practice this song with the actual song. When you're playing, I would insist you to play the song maybe in your laptop or on your PC, and play on that thing to maintain that tempo. The third general instruction uh, is I've used certain techniques like slide, pull off, hammer on, and bending also at times. So you need to practice all these individual, to make the song more better. And I've already given you the tabs of the song. So I once again I would recommend all of you to read the tabs, and if you have any confusion, you let me know. I'll clear the doubts. But meanwhile, Bake Ali, I'll break the song in few parts and I'll show you how can how can you memorize the song. So the starting of the song is like this. So as you just saw, I was using hammer on slide in this part. Slide backwards and slide in front. So this was bending. This part. So when you do all these techniques individually, like as I already mentioned, which is slide, pull off, hammer on, and bending, and when you include all these techniques in a song, I'm sure it will sound really good. And once again, practice with the actual song and maintain the tempo. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.